Okay, the wig that I have to show you guys today is from Klaiyi Hair. It's been a minute since I've gotten a wig from them. They definitely changed their packaging. It did not used to be green like this, or at least it's new to me. I don't know when the change happened because, like I said, it's been a while since I got some hair from them. But anyways, this wig came with a lot of goodies. So before I get into the details, I just want to show you guys what came in the packaging. So there's like some press-on nails in here, a wig cap, an extra edge band because they already did provide me one that has their logo on it. And then there is another separate dust bag in here, which I was kind of wondering what was in here. And then when I opened it, I was pretty surprised. This is my first time getting something so this nice with a hair company package. So it has these little, I don't know, like silicone clip thingies, so you can put on your hair. That way it doesn't leave like the little indentation from the clip on there. So I thought that was really cute. It also has like these big clips, which I wish I would have opened this sooner so I could have, like, you know, get the hair out of my face or whatever. I just really love the color of them too. And these ones, these that are big like this, have a really good grip on them. There also is a comb here, a detangling brush. Like, do you guys see that? Everything is branded beautifully with their logo on it, which is super nice. And then also a detangling brush, which I've never seen one of these before, but when I do like my curly hair videos, or even for this hair, this is gonna be a lifesaver. So I was very happy to, like I said, receive all of this stuff in addition to the wig that I got. Let me get into the details of the hair. This is their 7x5 Yaki straight bye-bye knots wig. So the knots are essentially basically invisible, super tiny. They already come pre-bleached. The hairline is already pre-plucked, and it is a closure wig, of course. So 7 inches across, 5 inches back. I do have it in 24 inches, but I did cut it a little bit, so it's not in the original length that it came in. So again, not to get this confused with kinky straight hair, this is their Yaki straight texture. Now there is a little bit of excess lace that you could definitely go in and cut off. It's just a tiny bit. They just have just a tad bit too much lace on it, but you kind of can't tell. And then what I want to get into about the cap itself, I showed you guys in the beginning of the video the cap construction. It comes with an elastic band that you can either use it with or without, but I would recommend that you use it with. So my only little ick that I don't really care too much for about this wig is that the cap on it is huge. For those of you guys who have like a medium or a large size head and you usually get a medium or a large cap size, this would fit you perfectly. But for us girls with small heads that wear a size small wig cap size, it's not really the best fit for us. I have the band adjusted so tight that it's low-key hurting this side of my head, but the lace still doesn't fit in the front. So I kind of had to do like some type of baby hairs just to kind of camouflage the sides that just won't lay flat no matter how tight I put the band. If I put the band any tighter, then I would not be able to wear this wig on my head. So that's the only thing. It's a great wig, just not for people who are a size small. Because I do have this side kind of tucked behind my ear, and I pulled a little bit of the hair out just to kind of camouflage that part, but it still is a beautiful wig. I love the hair texture. Between kinky straight and Yaki straight hair, I prefer Yaki straight hair. Kinky straight hair is cool, it's beautiful, it's nice, but there's just something about this texture that I like just a little bit more because there is a slight difference between it. It doesn't have so many like, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, it's textured, but it doesn't have so much of like the wrinkles or the waves in the hair that oftentimes kinky straight hair does. Okay, I was trying to remember what the density was. I had to go back on the website and look at the description. So the density on this wig is 150% density, which is pretty good for these type of wigs. I feel like anything more or less just isn't right. So this is kind of like a sweet spot density. And then obviously this is a wear and go glueless wig. You don't need any product with it. However, I did go in with some of this new lace melt mousse from Even and a little bit of the spray, and I had to put the elastic band on just to kind of melt the hairline a little bit more, because like I said, it doesn't fit very well. So on the forehead the lace didn't lay down as well as it should have, so I had to go in and tie it down. Because you guys know, usually when I wear these glueless wigs, I literally just put them on. I never go in and melt them with an edge band because it's never necessary, but for this wig it was. Now I did get some shedding with this hair, but nothing too crazy. I'm going to show you guys literally all the shedding that I got during this little process. So this is literally all the shedding that I got with the hair, which is very minimal. And you guys, this hair is super soft. It almost mimics like a fresh blowout, a fresh perm. I feel like the Yaki or textures definitely give like perm vibes. So again, on this side, you guys can see the lace is a little bit more obvious on this side. Like, it's easy to see that it's not laying flat because it doesn't fit, but on the other side it looks pretty pretty decent. It doesn't really do a good job of holding a curl, which I'm not really too much concerned with that, because more than likely I will never wear this hair curled anyway. If anything, I'll just really press it out. Now, I didn't press it out on the highest heat this time because I wanted to maintain just a little bit of the volume with it, because when you press this hair out on like 450 or higher, it literally looks like freshly permed hair, which is beautiful. So just know that you can kind of get like one of two different looks with it, depending on how hot you use your hot tool, or what heat setting you use your hot tool on. So with that being said, if you guys are interested in this wig, the link is in my description box. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Of course, I always open up the floor for, if you guys have gotten this wig from yourself, you can share your experience down below in the comment section. And I think that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.